This is how to factory reset, hard reset, clean and wipe the Wiko VOIX. So the process is we're going to hold power and volume up, and we're going to hold it for approximately 10 seconds. Go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to let go with power. And yeah, I'm experiencing the exact thing that most other people experience, which we have to try again multiple times. So let's try again. Okay, I'm going to hold volume up and power again. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I'm going to let go, power, keep holding. There we go. All right, now with the volume keys, we are going to use volume up to select recovery, and then volume down for OK. And that is going to bring up the fallen Android, and we are going to have to hold power and touch volume up when the Android comes up. So we're going to hold power down, touch volume up, and it brings up the Android recovery menu. And now we can choose wipe data factory reset with the volume keys. Power is OK. And then confirm again with the volume keys. Power is OK. And we can look down here for data wipe is complete. And now we can reboot the system. And that is how you factory reset, hard reset the Wiko VOIX. Please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.